Oh my god! This is my little brother's toy car that went missing a few days ago. I need to clean it properly because we can't afford to buy a new one every time. But it's okay. I'll make sure to wash it well today. I have no idea how it disappeared from my house, but today I found it lying on the street. Maybe a dog or a cat brought it here. No worries. I'll clean it thoroughly now.
Hey kid, you put in so much effort, yet no one seems to like your videos.
No, Uncle. People are very kind. Just watch. They'll like this video. My brother's toy car is finally clean and ready. Wow, look at it now.